Hi everybody, this is AutoTech Pro. Today we're installing 2015 BMW X1 E84. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with this system as well, okay? So first of all, let's talk about the hardware specification of the system first. This system comes with newest Android 11. It comes with 12.3 inches high definition screen. You can see the diagonal is 12 inches, 12.5 inches, I believe. And the resolution of the screen is really high. It's 1970 by 720. And this system also comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core chipset. It comes with a CPU inside, so it's very smooth, okay? Everything is very smooth here. And it's fully compatible with the original system, okay? You can see that it's fully compatible with the original radio here. And you can also fully compatible with the steering wheel control. And it also comes with the iDrive here. You can also use the iDrive to control the system as well. Okay, so let's start from the system first. The screen resolution actually is very high, okay? It's very nice. Okay, first of all, this system comes with the off-night GPS, comes with the Wi-Fi, comes with the 4G LTE. It also comes with the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And you can also install the aftermarket camera as well, okay? So if your car already comes with the camera, this system also supports the original camera too, okay? So you don't need to connect the external any other camera, okay? So basically, you can also download any of the application to the system as well. Okay, so basically you can download the Netflix, you can download the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, okay, anything, okay? It's basically like a tablet. It also comes with the blue anti-glare screen. So when you drive on the road, so you can eliminate almost like 80% of the reflection, okay? So it's very nice, okay? The system is perfectly matched with the whole dash, okay? So you can see that it's perfectly matched, okay? So there's no cutting wire, no modification is required, okay? So it's very important. Okay, let's start from the navigation first. This is the off-night navigation. You don't need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the GPS. So basically, how to use the navigation, you just need to click on the bottom right corner here, new road, okay? And then you can enter the address right here, okay? Address, and then go back, pull down a little bit from the top, you can see home menu. Okay, so on the main menu here, you can also use the iDrive to control it for sure, okay? This is the dashboard here, for example. You can see that this one will also show up the dashboard, the RPM and the speed here, So you also support the backup camera too. If you want to install the aftermarket camera, you can also do the camera too. It also comes the active guide 9. You can see the 9 can be returned based on the angle of the steering wheel. Okay, so it's very nice. All right, so it's very clear. Okay, you can see that it also comes the light vision as well. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off first. Okay, you can see that it's very nice. And other than that, you can also go here and go to apps. Okay, you can also go to Google Map. This is the Google Map right here. This is the newest version of the Google Map. Okay, this version of the Google Map will provide with the off-night map feature. Okay, so basically this is comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage memory. You can also upgrade to 128. Okay, so basically download the map data to the unit. Okay, so basically just click on the logo here, off-night map, and then select your own map, and then you can download your own the map in your area to the system. So next time, every time when you use the system, you do not need to connect to Wi-Fi to use the Google Map. You can use the Google Map as the off-night map, okay? So this is very important, okay? And other than that, you can also watch the Netflix, okay? You can, if you have the Netflix account, you can also use this one to control it, okay? You can also use the knob to control the menu right here. And then other than that, you can also use the YouTube, okay? You can install the YouTube. You can also go to the internet browser, Google Chrome. I guess you know how to use the Google. It's very smooth here. You can see that. It's not lagging at all. There's no lagging. Okay, so other than that, you can also download the movie to the USB, and then you can also play the movie on the road trip, okay? So basically for your passenger, not for the driver, okay? So how to do that? You just need to download the movie and copy to the USB and then play that on the system. Let's see that.
Unnecessary shock to the system. I am human evolutionary change.
Superhuman. Okay, it's very nice, okay? So basically, this system also comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'm gonna show you how to use the wireless Apple CarPlay. Okay, first of all, you need to bring out your cell phone. Okay, and then you need to pair with the Bluetooth here. You need to connect to the Bluetooth communication. You can search GOC SDK 00040, pair it. Okay, once you pair this one, and then you can go to the apps, go to Sealing, and then you need to grant authorization on the cell phone. For the first time, it might take a while to connect, but once it gets connected, every time when you get into the car, it's automatic. You need to grant authorization on the cell phone for the CarPlay. And then you will need to open the Wi-Fi here for the iOS 15. Connect this one and then turn off the low data mode. For the iOS 15 or maybe iPhone, the newest version of the iOS 15, you need to go to Wi-Fi. You will see that Android AP and then followed by some number. Okay, and then you need to click on that, connect to the Wi-Fi channel of this unit, and then you can go here, turn off the low data mode. All right, because the actually wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Wi-Fi to transfer the data, even though they use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning, but once you get paired, they will switch to Wi-Fi at the background. Okay, so basically, if you want to use the Wi-Fi hotspot to watch the YouTube, you cannot use the wireless Apple CarPlay at the same time. All right, so maybe you can put a 4G LTE, you can put a SIM card on the system, so you can watch the YouTube and also use the CarPlay at the same time. Okay. So let's go back to the Apple CarPlay first. Okay, so this is the Apple CarPlay. It's very nice. You can see that the interface is very nice, alright? And then it also comes with the split screen feature right here. Okay, you can see that. You also come with the voice control. How to do that? You can also go here. What's the temperature today?
The high temperature for today will be 5 degrees, and the low will be 3.
Alright, and bring me to the gas station.
Okay, here's what I found.
It's very nice. It's very smart, this one. Okay, so basically you can also use this one to make the phone call. You can also use this one to check all the message right here. Okay, WhatsApp message. You know, you can also, of course, you can also play the music. Okay, for example. It's very nice. Okay, in order to go back to the original menu, you just need to go click on car, and then it will bring you back to the original menu. All right, so basically it's very nice. I'm gonna go through some of the setting right here for you. Okay, so basically this is setting right here. You can also go to the system here to change the the time, you know, and also this kind of thing. Okay, so basically it's very nice. Okay, and this one also come, you can also download anything, you know. You can this is user manual right here. This is the Sirius XM, you know. You can also connect to the Sirius XM if you connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to turn off the CarPlay. For example, now you want to pair with your wife's phone, your girlfriend's phone, you know. So basically you cannot just unpair the Bluetooth, it won't work. Okay, so basically you need to go to setting right here, go to the search the CarPlay. Okay, go to the CarPlay menu on your cell phone. Okay, search CarPlay and then go to CarPlay right here, and then the second one, ZJIN Nova followed by some numbers. This is the unit here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, if you just disconnect the Bluetooth, it won't work. Okay, you need to go here and then turn off. Then the whole CarPlay is gonna be off. All right, so it's very important. Okay, now you can turn on the Wi-Fi. Once you turn off the CarPlay, then you can go here, turn off the Wi-Fi here. All right. And then once you turn on the Wi-Fi, then you can access to the internet, okay, and all the GPS and all this kind of feature, right? If you want to connect the dash cam, the dash cam, you can also connect the dash cam to the screen. I mean, but the dash cam need to be support the Wi-Fi, okay? So you can just install the software here and then pair with the dash cam, and then you can see the video clip on the big screen, okay? So This system can also be purchased from our website www.autotechpro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTechPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.